KIT-Kalaignarkarunanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Counselling code 2750. Accredited by NBA and NAAC with A grade. Our qualified and experienced faculty help our students to keep up with the changing technology, ensuring that they learn from the best minds in every field. KIT's infrastructure resonates with modernity. KIT provides a world of opportunity beyond the classroom. KIT has recognized research centers of Anna University, Chennai. KIT has been able to raise the bar consistently in all spheres of academic and co-curricular excellence. Our practical sessions are in line with industry requirements and the present job market. This helps our students to master their subjects and provide excellent placement opportunities in reputed companies. KIT Incubation Center is where innovative ideas are transformed into new products. The Department of Physical Education ensures that students are groomed in every aspect of their personality. KIT facilitates a hygienic and clean home away from home atmosphere with separate hostel facilities. KIT, excellence beyond expectation. Counselling code 2750.